All right, so we've set up a new grid. Let's take a look at how we can add topics to that particular grid. So first thing I'm going to do is select a grid that I want to add topics to. Let's select this Tech Coach community grid. Now, one of the things to keep in mind is that when you create a new grid, it automatically creates two topics for you, an ideas topic, which we will take a look at in a future video, as well as a welcome topic, which is super awesome. The welcome topic is something general like welcome to our community, and it provides a space for people to introduce themselves and share a little bit more about themselves. But let's go back to the grid. To add a topic, we're simply going to click the blue New Topic button. All right, let's take a look at the details that we have to add to create a topic. So the first required detail is a specific topic title. I'm going to go ahead and add in a title that will be clear enough that it will give the participants an idea as to what they need to do to respond to this topic. Once I've added a topic title, which is required, I can then add a topic description or a question. Again, this field is required because this information will be the prompt that your participants will read in order to know what they should be responding to. So I'll go ahead and enter in a brief description or a question to prompt my participants. Once I've entered in my topic description or my question prompt, notice that I can adjust the video response time. The default time is set to 1 minute 30 seconds, but I can always give as little as 15 seconds for short responses or as much as 5 minutes for lengthier responses. I can also add a topic tip. Now, this is optional, but the tip will appear in bright red text next to the star or next to the topic. And this topic tip could be some helpful information to support your participants as they add their responses. So you could enter in tips such as you have 3 minutes to share your response. You could even add tips and tricks for crafting an authentic response or tips for recording video. The topic display date will be automatically generated based on the date that you create the topic. It's displayed on your topic, and it is actually used to help you order your topics in your grid. So I'm going to leave my topic display date set as today's date. And let's go ahead and scroll down. Now, topic privacy allows you to add a little bit more security to your topic inside your grid. With video moderation turned on, responses to a topic will not actually be seen publicly until you, the moderator, who's created the topic, approves the videos. I can turn off video moderation if I want less security and I want the video's responses to be seen immediately without me, the topic creator, having to approve the videos. Now, notice that it does describe the grid community type. I can always edit the community type under grid settings. So right now, this is a PLC and public type, which means that participants enter the flip code. I have added a little bit more security as I also added a password to this particular grid. Another level of security for your topic is the topic status. So I can make my topic active or I can freeze my topic. If I freeze my topic, students can view the videos, but they can't record new videos. Or I can make a topic inactive, where students can neither view nor add videos to the topic. Let's turn this back on to active. I can also set launch and freeze dates. This will set dates when the topic is active and then frozen. You can update your time zone if need be. And I'm going to leave this set to never freeze because I want my tech coaches to be able to add video responses throughout the entire year. But if this was a topic that was for students for a specific unit, I might want to set a date that limits when they can continue adding responses to. Our next section, topic resource, is optional. However, by adding a topic resource, you bring your topic to life. It's a way to engage your students. You can record your own video that encourages students to add their responses. If you don't want to record your video right within FlipGrid, you can always record your video outside of the FlipGrid platform and then upload the video. Or if you have an alternative video that you'd like to upload, you could do that as well. Notice that you could add a video prompt from YouTube or upload an image or a Jiffy or even add an emoji. Keep in mind that topic resource is optional, but it's a great way to engage your students. Topic attachments is also optional. However, I want you to notice that you can now attach up to 9 external links to resources. So imagine you have a link to a OneNote page where you have content for your students, or maybe a Google Doc or Google Slides presentation, or possibly a YouTube video you'd like the students to view before responding to the topic. Again, you can attach up to 9 external links. You add the link here under Feature Link and then add an attachment title. Simply click the blue Add Another Attachment button in order to continue adding attachments. All right, in our next section, video features. Our first setting is selfie decorations. Allow students to decorate their selfies with drawings and stickers. Decorations can be individually selected or disabled entirely. So I want my students to have a little fun when they take their selfie for their FlipGrid video, so I'm going to leave stickers and drawings turned on. I'm also going to leave turned on video reactions. In FlipGrid, the emoji with the mic drop is FlipGrid's version of a like. I'm going to display the number of views a video has received. And for attachment link, I'm going to allow students to include an external link with their video. Now, notice that links can be public, so visible to all the participants in the grid, or private, only visible to you, the teacher who has set up the grid. I can also either turn on or turn off student-to-student replies, which would, if I turn this on, would allow students to reply to another student's video or another participant's video. And video title, I can leave this turned on, which will allow students to add a brief title to their video. Now, titles can include hashtags to make their videos easier to search. Finally, section 7, feedback. Now, right now it's set at basic feedback. And if I take a look at the right, basic feedback includes a very basic rubric, performance, and ideas. I can select custom feedback and then go ahead and build my own custom feedback rubric based on the needs of my students and the needs of the activity. I simply just select custom feedback and then start adding my criteria. Notice that when I click add criteria, I can add the criteria title, I can add a brief description, I can set a minimum score, and I can set a maximum score. And I simply click create. All right, once I have adjusted all of the settings for my topic, I just simply go ahead and click the create topic button here at the very bottom of the screen. And I get a reminder that all I have to do now is either share the grid or share the topic with my participants. I'll just simply click got it. And now I'm inside that tech tips topic that I created. To go back to my Tech Coach community grid, I just simply click the Tech Coach community title here in the breadcrumbs. And now I can see the chart with all of my topics. Notice that I can always click on the pencil icon to make edits to those topic settings.